Hello children, this is Samita Badola from Jagran Public School, Noida. In my previous video, I taught you about human body and how do different body parts work. In this video, I will tell you about internal organs. So let's start with me. Do you know children, we human beings are most superior animals on this earth. Do you know what we have which actually make us superior among all the living things? Yes, you are thinking right. This is our brain. The brain is inside our head. It helps us to think, learn and remember. It also controls all the organs of the body. Do you know children, internal organs are found inside our human body. So we cannot see them, but you can feel the presence of them. Keep your hand on the left side of your chest. Do you feel something beating like a drum? Yes, it is your heart. Our heart pumps blood to all parts of our body. Now again keep your hand on your chest and take a deep breath. What do you feel now? Your chest swells. There are two lungs inside our chest. These lungs help us to breathe. They fill up with air when we breathe in. Do you know which gas we breathe in? Yes, we breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. Let's know about digestive system. Do you know? First you chew the food and that food goes all the way down your stomach. In your stomach, food is broken down for protein. And in the small intestine, food is made into a liquid of undigested waste material and water. Then it goes into the large intestine, where water is absorbed into the blood stream. Then finally waste material is expelled. Now let's know about the liver. The liver is the largest internal organ. It is reddish brown in color and feels rubbery to the touch. The liver has two large sections called the right and the left lobes. Do you know about its function? It regulates most chemical levels in the blood and excretes a product called bile. This helps carry away waste products from the liver. All the blood leaving the stomach and intestine passes through the liver. Now I will tell you about kidneys. The kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped organs on either side of your spine, below your ribs and behind your belly. Each kidney is about 4 or 5 inches long, roughly the size of a large fist. The kidney's job is to filter your blood. Most people know that a major function of the kidneys is to remove waste products and excess fluid from the body. These waste products and excess fluid are removed through the urine. So these are the main internal organs in human body which regulate respiratory system, digestive system, nervous system, cardiovascular system and urinary system. You will come to know about them in detail in your next class. There are 7 ways to keep your organs healthy. First, stay hydrated. Second, eat a balanced diet. Third, do exercise. Fourth, be careful with supplements and over-the-counter medications. Fifth, do not smoke. Sixth, keep blood sugar controlled. 7th, get checked. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it and must follow the 7 ways to keep your organs healthy. Bye bye. Take care.